Given that the lines marked with arrows in the figure are parallel, find the value of A plus B plus C plus D plus E. Explain your reasoning. Okay, so I can use parallel lines cut by a transversal. I have two different transversals here. And then I also can use vertical angles. And I can use triangles too. I know some things about triangles. So let's start with the parallel lines. So here I have a parallel line, two parallel lines, and a transversal. So let's just highlight the lines I want to look at for right now. So I've got parallel line, and a transversal. Ignore all the other lines. And this says that angle C should be the same as this angle here. Okay, so I'm ignoring all other lines. So I can't do anything with D yet because D is made by a line that I have not highlighted in purple. Okay, so the only angle that is labeled that is made with my purple parallel lines in this transversal is C. So I'm going to put a C, oops, right there. Okay. So it's everything that I can do with the purple parallel lines and the transversal that I highlighted in purple. Okay, now I'm going to erase those and look at a different transversal. Okay, so same two parallel lines because I only have two parallel lines. Okay, but this time I'm going to look at a different transversal, this one. Okay, so I'm only looking at what I've highlighted in purple. Angles formed by the purple lines. I have angle B, okay? That is formed by one of the parallel lines and the transversal. The alternate interior angle to B is right here, also formed by a parallel line and the transversal. So this should be B right here. I think that's everything I can get using the parallel lines. That's everything I can figure out just using these parallel lines. Um, I have this angle A over here. I know vertical angles are equal, so this has to also be an A right there. And then I'm going to look at the large triangle we've created here. And I know that the sum of the three angles of that triangle have to add up to 180 degrees. Okay, so I've got A plus this angle made up of C and D plus this angle made up of B and E. So A plus D plus C, that's the second angle of the triangle. And then the third angle of the triangle is B plus E. We know that that has to add up to 180 degrees because those are the three angles of a triangle. And then with addition, you can drop the parentheses, you can rearrange the order. So this says A plus B plus C plus D plus E is 180 degrees.